your goddamn.
You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so love.
Pacaran denganmu, tersiksa batinku. Hati ini tercampur dengan cemburu. Mau percaya, namun kecuriga.
2,000 years later.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohila. I'm from class management 23B and my NPM 23411006. Sampling method and sampling distribution. Sampling is the process of the selecting a subset of elements from a population to represent the entire population. Sampling method and sampling distribution help researchers understand population characteristics in without examining every element. Sampling methods are divided into two main categories: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Number 1, probability sampling. This method gives every element in the population equal chance of being selected. Example include simple random sampling (SRS). As element has an equal probability of being chosen. Example, randomly selection 10 students from a class list. Statistics sampling. The population is divided into strata groups and samples are randomly selected from each stateroom. Example, sampling students based on their grade level a middle school, high school. Cluster sampling. The population is divided into clusters and some clusters are randomly selected for analysis. Example, selecting specific school for a student survey. Systematic sampling. Samples are the chosen regular interval from the population list. Example, choosing every 5 tahun student from a class roster. Number 2, non-probability sampling. This method does not provide equal cases for all elements to be selected. Example includes confidence sampling. Samples are taken based on accessibility or age of collection. Example distribution. Questionnaires to cause friend judgmental sampling. Sampling are selected based on the researcher's subjective judgment. Example, closing student. Certified as the top performance. Quota sampling. Samples are collection to meet specific quota each group. Example, selecting 50 male and 50 female students. Snowball sampling. Initial participants recommend others to join the study. Example, survey in the closeness or community. Sampling distribution. A sampling distribution is a statistical distribution different from repeated sampling of a population. Key types include: Number 1, sampling distribution of the sample mean. Represent the distribution of sample mass drawn from a population. Number control limit theorems. If the sample size is large enough, the sampling distribution of the mean will approach a normal distribution regardless of the population distribution. Number 2. Sampling distribution of the sample proportion represents the distribution of proportion for a particular attribute in samples. Example, the percentage of students passing an exam from school sample. Number 3. Sampling distribution of the sample variance represents the distribution of variance calculated from sample. Variance measure data distribution with the sample. Number 4. Sampling distribution of test statistics. Test distribution are used from hypothesis testing such as Z, T, C, S square, and F distribution. Example, distinct the population mean using the distribution. Application of sampling in research. Business consumer survey to understand market preferences. Health care. Clinical trial to assess drug effectiveness. Education. Evaluating student performance from selected school. Environment. Observing water quality in river sample. Sampling is a vital method for efficiently analyzing data even in large populations. Selecting the appropriate sampling method is essential for ensuring accurate and representative results. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.